What is the deal with Bitcoin dealers?
What the fuck is a Bitcoin dealer? Oh!
Honestly, you half-human, you non-half-human bananas have no etiquette. No noise in the exam room.
Holy disrespect in the doctor's office. Your Discord device is dialing.
Ow! My kidney!
In the name of the law.
Darth!
It would seem that you and your fiendish friend once again cannot abide by the laws of the invisible traffic.
Dude, when are you gonna get your bit of meal, soy boy, cock-ass over here and save me?
Princess Tango Ice Blast! Jinkies! Ah, motherfuck! Ah! Ah, Jesus Christ!
Now that I've got your attention, I come from a land down under. You're probably wondering how I got here.
What is the deal with cheap exposition?
This is my job. Don't look at this. I have this job. I'm in a union. I've been employed to do this.
What's the deal with traffic laws?
And then I will sue you to within an inch of your life. You mingy, miserable, subway rat.
Wow.
And then I will cut off your ears. And I will bake them into a deep dish pizza, which I will take with you to drop.
Oh wow.
To drop in the middle of LA with no transportation.
Damn, you really got me there.
Really?
No! What do you say to this?
That's not me. That's not me. It's a lie. Libel! I wasn't there and you can't prove it. Besides, clearly deserved it.
A child?
The police coming straight from the underground.
You see, children and I, we've got an understanding. They stay out of my way, and I don't run them over. Besides, it's little Tyke's fucking fault for breaking the rules of the truck nuts anyway.
Are we also blaming the violation of intergalactic traffic laws on children now?
Oh, especially the children. It's those little brats' fucking fault that we have these woke school zones now anyway. Besides, my hands weren't even on the wheel. I am completely non-culpable, sweetheart.
So anyway, I'm talking to this guy, and he takes me to this place called Fisher, and he says to me, he says, Fisher, I hardly know her.
No, you've just ruined a perfectly adequate interrogation. Get you and your stupid bolty bolts out of my place of work! Scrap!
What's the deal with body bolts?
I suppose I'll have to use your undying friendship with Duke Mudmuncher to persuade you. He won't be able to resist trying to save you. Honestly, that guy has such a hero complex. but I'll be ready for him. And when he comes to save you, I'll have prepared a devious trap. And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Hey, Jake. Yeah. Brought a beautiful girl home last night. Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's 22. Named Cheryl. Top of the line SUV. I'm bitchless.
Hun, I don't care about your lack of bitches. Now, are you gonna help me rescue the princess from Darth, or not?
Does she have a sister?
I'll fucking stab you.
Honey, you okay?
I'm a bit shite today. I've actually not had a dragon soup yet today.
That's sad.
What's she saying?
She says you're in a mood. You're cray-cray.
You've got really good skin. Do you wear makeup?
She says she loves your skin and wants it.
What kind of sick bastards do you hang out with, Han?
Like, do you moisturise? What do you use?
Oh, she says, do you want a square go?
Well, not on my watch. Craft, shot, burst.
Oh, come on, man.
No one fucks with Duke Mudmuch.
Don't open it.
Hey, Han. Well, why do I bother? Hey, look, this is my parole officer's office. I say we send him swimming with the space whales. How about you?
Yeah.
Ah!
Jake!
What? Fuck. Whoa, good God. What?
You came to save me.
Yeah.
That almost makes up for your objective failure beforehand.
What?
I mean, you're easy on the eyes, nobody's denying that, but I mean, you barely look after me. I just want you to take care of me whenever I run over some children, but here I am, locked up in this stinky old...
Well. If it isn't the unstoppable power of friendship.
Get in the car.
Zoinks, man! They're gonna send me back to rehab for this?
Traffic Attendant Harrison, warm up your Ford. Deploy all the Clobots! Don't let them escape!
My man, Han, I can't believe they snatched his ass like that.
I mean, I never liked that guy.
Tangy Pops, you just don't get it.
All right.
He was my guy.
We'll go back for him. Eventually. Take a right, there's a school zone.
Curses! Foiled again! And I would have enforced road traffic laws in a fair and safe manner if it hadn't been for those meddling truck nuts.
Fuck them.
Oh, Duke. I would go at 80 through school zones with you forever.
Or a children's hospital.
Or an orphanage.
Or both. Ha-ha! You thought you could get rid of me and my narrative framing? I told you my union would be in touch. You editing team. You're a bunch of cunts.
Sir Osbert, defenestration.
Yourselves.
Dibbly boss! That's right, Darth. When I said the AA, I didn't specify which one.
The Automobile Association?
That's right, my boy. And I am going to tow your impudent buttocks away. But one thing I will not tow away is tonight's sponsor, Squarespace. With Squarespace, you too can grapple with the dastardly fiends. I am Sir Osbert! You are but a car toter, my boy! Look at me! Look at me!
Kiss! Woo!
Oh, say hello. Hello, everyone.
Oh my God, it's behind the scenes.
Look at those feet.
Yeah.
Oh!
There's like a.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Shot reverse shot here, I think. Like, I think you guys both need to look horrified at the fact that I'm awake.
Well, exactly. I was.
Yeah.
Generally, in life, I am horrified at the fact you're awake.
Wait, so I'm going to be over here.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you guys going to be? Are you guys just still going to be on the table, or like you guys?
I think I'm.
Okay, so wait, so I'm going to be on the ground here.
Thanks, bro.
And then I need to wake up and go.
Yeah.
So those guys need to be like.
Take your
And then I say my
Get
thing.
out of here.
I
Sam.
Now that I've got your attention. You're right. Wait, sorry, I was thrown off by the coffin.
I think we got enough though.
Okay.
Can I have that, please? Wait, Al, should we move that chair out of the way?
Tom's
Was that chair there?
eating a little Snickers bar. He's enjoying the Snickers bar. Oh, Sam's back in shot.
I'm going to put the mop there.
Let's get a little.
Lie down here.
Let's get a little peek at what Sam's doing.
Would you like me to move so I
Don't
can
do
use my
that.
seat?
Yeah. What was that? What are you going to say?
Can't.
You ain't ever seen anyone kiss the camera before, have you?
Kiss the camera. She is mine. She's mine. Hold it.
Stop with the camera.
Who let the dogs out?
I don't know.
Who?
Why am I
Who?
associated with this?
Hey Tom, you okay, buddy?
Tired.
Yeah, aren't we all?